I got a bonus Birchbox. I got a bonus Birchbox. How did I get a bonus box? Welcome to Keisha's Closet, or welcome back if you've been here before. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell that you see next to the subscribe button after you subscribe so you can learn all about what I'm doing when I do it by the moment, because you don't want to miss anything. It's all that good. It might not be, but I like to think it is. Join me. Okay, so I am here today because I got a bonus Birchbox. I don't know. I've looked in my account. It says I only got the one box, but I got another box. I'm not complaining, but I thought I'd share what's in it. And so I did my March Birchbox review already, and I showed you guys some things, and I did a perfume giveaway. So we're going to go through this second March Birchbox and see if there's something that we can give away in here too. So this one, I have tip number 171, which is, oh, hold on. Listen up, children. A daily facial massage promotes circulation and skin elasticity. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Okay, let's get into the box. So, this box looks like it is more about moisture and shine. Oh, we got some lip stuff. Oh, yes. Oh, and some hair stuff. Okay, so this comes with Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. And this is to moisturize, detangle, and defrizz with the sea buckthorn oil-based leave-in cream. Work through damp hair and style as usual. So that is not this. That is this. So this is for moisturizing, detangling, and defrizzing hair. And so I plan on definitely using this. When I wash my hair again, I will work this through. Now, this is a small amount for the amount of hair that I have, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to give it a go and see what happens with this. So I will let you guys know. And when I come back at the end of the month, I'm going to just run through all of the products in both boxes to let you know what I thought of them before you go spend your hard-earned coins on these products in full size. So, first one. Second one is Floss Beauty, my new favorite lip gloss. So that is this one right here. Non-glittery, non-sticky, clear gloss. It's hydrating, long-lasting, and super comfortable to wear. Use it alone or over another lip color for added shine. Let's see what color we got in here. It's called Yule, Y-U-L. Never tested on animals, which is always a great thing. Oh. It is an absolute clear lip gloss. You know what? Hold on. Please hold. Let's try it. I love lip gloss that has this little wand, by the way. I don't have many of these right now. I want more. It smells really good. I think I wiped most of it off. Okay. I can't. You guys are my mirror because I don't keep a mirror here, which I keep saying that, so I should probably get a mirror for my desk. Okay. Smells really good. Feels really good. That's all I can say about it right now. We'll see. You know how sometimes when you put on lip gloss, it's not as shiny when you first put it on, but then you wait a minute and your lips are like super shine? We'll see if that happens with this. Okay, so that's product number 2 is Floss Lip Gloss. My favorite lip gloss is what it's called. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original, which is this right here. These chemical-free patches cut the life cycle of a pimple short. Apply one of the discrete circles to your skin, 6 hours. It's supposed to help clear up your blemish. Now, these are not my skin tone. So, guess what? We're going to give these away. Okay? I'm going to come back to these at the end of the video, and I'm going to talk about what you need to do to win this. But this is not my skin tone. I will not be putting this on. And I very rarely get blemishes, so I will give this away. Okay, next. We have Qhemet Biologics which is this one right here. And it's the Amla and Olive Heavy Cream. There you go. Okay, this all-in-one cream hydrates and softens coils, cornrows, and more. This is for natural girls or girls that wear your hair in braids. Hey, look, they got something for us. Distribute the Ayurvedic botanical formula through dry or damp hair, or apply directly to scalp to nourish. This I definitely will be using. So because you guys know I do wear wigs, I wear weaves, I do protective styles. Also, I wear my hair natural. I'm going to use this after I wash my hair later today and see what I think of this. And then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think of it. Okay, we have two more things here. We have the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek in the color Rendezvous. You see that? Yeah, sort of. There we go. Okay, so this is a multitasking lip and cheek balm. It blends seamlessly to deliver a natural pink tint while moisturizing skin with safflower extract. So I would try this, but I already put this on, so I'm not going to try this right now, but I will. And I definitely want to keep this. I love lip stuff. Not lipsticks, but lip glosses and tints and things like that. So I will definitely put this to use. Probably won't use it on my cheeks, but we'll use it on my lips. And lastly, we have the new skin line from Birchbox. It's their Aero skin line that they've developed. Can you see that? I really need to get better at this and ignore my janky nails because I broke two. So there's that. So this is the Radiant Skin Moisturizer from Aero. Again, that's Birchbox's new skin line. And it's a lightweight moisturizer, has a subtle sheen to illuminate your skin, and hyaluronic acid and aloe to hydrate and soothe. You're supposed to use it in the morning alone or under your makeup. I don't wear general face makeup most days, and so I will try this as just a moisturizer in place of my Manuka Honey moisturizer that I'm using right now. I'll try this for a week if it lasts for a full week, and I'll let you know what I think. So that is this box for the month. It has a good array of things for hair and skin and, you know, beauty. And so I'm excited to try some of these things out. And again, this Mighty Patch for blemishes is supposed to be a quick fix for blemishes as they start to appear. I will be giving this away. So let me know if you want it. To get this, all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section below. And after a couple of days, I will pick a random winner to receive this. I'll message you and get your deets, and I will send this out to you. So that is it for this video. These products all range from $13 to $25 in this box when you buy them full size. So it's a great value to have samples. As I always say with Birchbox reviews, it's good to try things out before you spent your hard-earned money on buying them full size. You want to make sure you like it first. Let's check it on this lip gloss. I like it. It's cute. It's not too shiny, and it doesn't have a weird tint. So with that, until next time, again, be sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again when you come back into Keisha's closet.